So to derive the general formula for all those cases, what we will do is we'll first assume sorry, okay. Let's move this. We'll first assume it is cut into n pieces. So say each side is will take the most general question. So each side is cut into, say, each side is cut into n equal pieces. N equal pieces. So here n is 4. So say in the question it is some other value also. So we'll just see what happens with the n equal pieces. So when there is n equal pieces, let's see for the cubes with 3 sides painted. So this is the first case. So in the first case, as you can see, no matter how many equal parts we cut into, the cubes with 3 sides painted are the ones that comes in the edge. These edges, only in these cubes 3 sides will be painted. So as you can see, there are, in a cube there is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and there is one here, 8 edges. So for cubes with 3 sides painted, the answer will always be 8. It is irrespective of n. The edges of a cube remains the same, and we will have 8 as our answer. Now second is cubes with 2 sides painted. Cubes with 2 sides painted. So as I said before, say a side, let this be a side of the cube, and we divide this into n equal pieces. We don't know the n, we divide it into n equal pieces. So the cube with 2 side painted are the ones that comes on the edges, like this. This will be one cube, this will be one cube, this will be one cube. So out of all these n pieces, the first piece and the last nth piece, nth cube, will have 3 sides painted as it comes on the edges. So n minus 2 cubes on this edge, n minus 2 cubes on this edge will have 2 sides painted. So these 2 sides painted. So how many, and now every edge will have n minus 2 pieces with 2 sides painted. And how many edges does a cube has? So cube has this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 edges. So you can count them up. I'll just draw a transparent cube, then you can easily see. So if you count the edges, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So you can count them up, and you can see there is 12 edges for a cube. So since each edge has n minus 2 cubes which have 2 sides painted, the total cubes with 2 sides painted will be 12 into n minus 2. So this is the formula for cubes with 2 sides painted. Now third case is cubes with 3 sides painted. cubes with 3 sides painted. Let's see. Sorry, one side painted. One side painted. Sides, not sides. One side painted. So how we can find out that? So as I said, here in this case, it was these 4 cubes. So in general, if you take, I will just remove this. In general, when the cube is like this, I'm just showing this face. So we have like this n. So 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, n faces. Similarly, we have 1, 2, 3, 2. So 1, 2, 2, 2, n faces. So all each side will be split like this. So to find the total number of cubes with one side painted, we always have to I'll just finding the number of cubes in this area. We'll remove all those cubes from the that is touching the edges. All the cubes that are touching edges will either have 3 side painted or 2 side painted. So we'll remove all those, and the rest is the number of cubes that will have one side painted on one face. So how we can find this is to find this is but n minus 2 into n minus 2. How? If you see, each side will have one this whole thing is n, and we are removing 2 from both sides, so n minus 2. And similarly, in the horizontal and vertical, we have n minus 2. The total number is n minus 2 into n minus 2. So we get n minus 2 into n minus 2, and that is for one face. We have 6 faces. So we have our total equation becomes 6 into n minus 2 into n minus 2. So the general formula for cubes with one side is 6 into n minus 2 into n minus 2. So this is the cubes with one side painted, and there is only one more case left, cubes with no side painted. So I hope you understood what this 6 is. Since we did the question, I quickly went through it. Each face has n minus 2 into n minus 2 such cubes. So a cube has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3. We can see 3 in the figure, and 1 is here, 4, 5, and 6. So totally, sorry. So totally we have 6 faces. So that's how we get 6 here. So 6 into n minus 2 into n minus 2. Now cubes with no sides painted. So there is only one case. So this will require some imagination. Just like this n minus 2, we are going to open up this cube. We will have to open up this cube, and we will remove each layer. Say, I will just show. I don't know whether you understand this. I'll try my best. Since it is 3D, it could be tricky. I'll just draw it in a 3D manner only. Otherwise, it will be very difficult to imagine. Okay, what we are going to do is, since like we removed all the edge here in this case, what did we do? We removed from n this like one piece from all the horizontal and vertical side, so to get the center portion. So just like that, we'll do it in a three-dimensional way. So to get the inner cube is the one which has no sides painted. Okay, so I'll just so from this it n will one cube from every side will be removed. I drew like this to just make you visualize. So this cube, there is cube like this. I'm not sure whether you're getting it. It's very getting complicated. Okay, so every one if you see to get the inner cube, one cube from all the sides in the horizontal and vertical direction will be removed. So so this inner cube is the a cube that has 0 sides painted. So how to find this? Each of this, so if you see the sides of the inner cube is nothing but, I'll just show this one, this and this and this and this. Each of this is n minus 2, n minus 2, n minus 2 and n minus 2. And similarly the height of the cube, which is also n minus 2. So if you see, this inner cube is the one which has no sides painted. So if you see, total number of cubes in this will be n minus 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 2. So the equation will be n minus 2 the whole cube, n minus 2 into n minus 2 into n minus 2. So this is the general equation. I am not sure whether you understood this part. I tried my best to show you how to find that, visualize that inner cube. Inner cube is the one which has no sides painted. So all the outer layer cubes are removed from that, so that all the painted layers are removed, and the inner cube will have, each single cubes will have cubes with no side painted. So this is how the formula comes, n minus 2 the whole cube. So once you understand, are able to visualize this, will be very easy to learn the formula. So so once you know the formula in the exam hall, it will be very you can find the answer very fast. So here the number of small cubes with only one side painted, so you can go to the formula, one side painted, which is 6 into n minus 2 into n minus 2. Here n is 4, so 4 minus 2 is 2, so 2 into 2 4 into 6 24. Immediately you can answer. It is, the solution is question 40. Solution is B. So any such questions can be easily answered with all these formulas. So I hope I hope you understand this. It is helpful. If I have made any mistake in the formulas or anything, do mention. I will redo this video anyway. So I have covered all the cases. All the general formulas are this, and I have explained how we arrive at the general formula also. So okay, so that is the solution to question 40 and all the general formula derivations.